Want to capture stunning slow motion videos in 1080p and 240 FPS on your iPhone? Whether you're filming fast-moving action or just having fun with creative shots, let's walk through how to record 1080p at 240 FPS on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Camera. Now, tap on Record Slow-Mo. From here, select 1080p at 240 FPS. Exit Settings, and you will be able to record slow motion video at 1080p 240 FPS. You can also switch to 240 FPS from the Camera app. To do that, open Camera app, switch to slow-mo, tap the number at the upper right corner of the screen next to HD, and set it to 240. Now your iPhone camera should record slow motion video in 240 FPS at 1080p. So guys, that's how you record 1080p 240 FPS slow motion video on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you want more helpful tips and tricks like this one, subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.